Welcome to In Exile. Today is October 7th, and this is our update to CNO. Well, it's been, a week since we looked at CNO, and what has happened in that time period? Well, that would have been right about here. Let's see, Wednesday. That would have been right about here. And we were saying that the short-term moving averages were pointing down, middle Bollinger Band above it. Yes, we did get down into the fours, and it bounced back with pretty good vengeance. It performed pretty good this week, getting below the lower Bollinger Band and snapping back, which it should. And today, 523, short-term moving averages pointing down, middle Bollinger Band still above the short-term moving averages, all except for one. We have a bearish engulfing. We're, of course, below the lower price consensus level still. And it did attempt to kiss it and backed off. CCI clicking down. Stochastics pointing up, but they are above the 14-day RSI moving average. When they flip around, it will be not an enjoyable experience. But downtick on the RSI, uptick on the histogram, and a slight uptick on the MACD. So kind of a mixed bag, but we can anticipate further down movement, and that's not because I don't like CNO, I certainly do. But that is what it is. Going to the 60-minute, looking for any kind of divergence, and really, there isn't any. That's a good thing. Going back to the daily, get some color on possible down move. You can see that we exited the lower price level, snapped back, which is it's supposed to do. Tagged the upper price level, and now it should go back down and tag the lower price level at $5. If we were to have some ugly, massive break in the market, yes, you could be looking at $4.50. And if there was a super awful time in the market, which I don't think is going to happen, just shy of $4. But the likelihood of this is low at this point, in my opinion. But certainly, I think there'll be some ugliness next week, and it is entirely possible to leave the minor trend. Now, how about something a little faster? Black box number 2, much more agile to short-term moves. And here we can see the minor trend bumped right into it, backing off of it, and it's giving a target just slightly north of 480. I think that lines up pretty good with the black box number 1 and its $5 call. And if we do get a really ugly move next week, then this is in actually just shy of or just above 440. Now, I do expect there to be a very good positive move at the end of next week or following next week. And if we look at that on here, yeah, we could go down to 440, but on the upper side at this moment, just above 580, and on the major trend, a really good move, about 670. So those are some nice targets, and I think that those will be entirely doable at the end of next week or following next week. So something to be aware of, and maybe have a game plan in case it does come down here. Certainly we'll have another update next weekend, and I would expect there to be some new information with the indicators that will give us a clue that that it will be going up to those levels. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video are for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you.